What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Bike Riders. Hope you all are doing good. Today's video is on 2020's Kawasaki Vulcan. This bike is a very huge bike with a massive torque of 136 Newton meters and a weight of 406 kgs. 2020 Kawasaki's Vulcan 1700 ABS show-stopping style and performance. The Vulcan 1700 ABS motorcycle is the king of Kawasaki cruisers. A 1700cc digital fuel injection V-twin engine plus Kawasaki advanced captive braking technology K-ACT2 ABS and electronic cruise control helps make the Vulcan 1700 ABS the pinnacle of power and luxury on the open roads. Designed for those riders who set their sight beyond the horizon, the Vulcan 1700 offers everything needed for comfort long distance touring with or without passenger. Offering a metric alternative to V-twin tour, the Vulcan 1700 combines Kawasaki reliability with the performance, comfort and amenities that long distance touring rider demand. The Vulcan 1700 ABS touring cruiser is intended for riding who seeks modern comfort, a plenty of technology as well as the legendary Kawasaki dependability. With its ample storage capacity and larger fuel tank, the 2020 Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 is equipped to reach destination with ease, and its range of features will help the rider to arrive in comfort in 2020. Anti-lock braking system ABS incorporates into K-ACT to help prevent the wheels from locking during hard straight-up braking for enhanced control. Front suspension, telescopic hydraulic front fork and 300 mm dual disc dual 4-piston caliper. You can have a look at the front brake calipers, and it has got a reflector on the front shock absorber, and this is the front fender of the bike. It has written K-ACT on the front fender of the bike, and the front shock is telescopic hydraulic shock. You can have a look at the radiator. It's a quite big radiator here. It has got a large front fairing and windshield help block the wind for increased rider comfort. The fairing is mounted to the frame to help maintaining light steering. Retro style dashboard is located within the fairing with a 1960s style speedometer and digital audio system display. Engine specification: 1700cc 4-stroke V-twin, single overhead cam, 4 volts per cylinder, liquid cooled. Maximum power is 73.4 bhp at 5000 rpm. Maximum torque is 136 Newton meters at 2750 rpm. It's a 6-speed gearbox belt drive bike. Large trunk is big enough to hold 2 full face helmets and provide a convenient backrest for the passenger. Locked saddlebags carry an amazing amount of long distance gearing. Sturdy saddlebags and trunk locks keep gears secure. Long frame mount chrome saddlebags guards enhance cruise image. LED tail brake lights are located high on the trunk for better visibility to following motorists. Seat height is of 730 mm. Fuel tank capacity is of 20 liters. Electric speedometer. Electric design reduces weight and eliminates the front wheel drive unit and cable for a cleaner look. Analog speedometer face evoke memories of the 60s. Digital display includes odometer, trip meter, clock, fuel range and average MPG. Gear position indicator makes it easy to determine which gear the transmission is in at the glance. Audio, full feature audio system. Navigation audio prompt capability allows voice promotion audio to be heard through the speakers or Kawasaki genuine accessory helmet headsets with using Garima Zumo 600/655 GPS Kawasaki genuine accessories GPS mount adapter kit and GPS sold separately. AM and FM tuner with front fairing mount speakers in standard equipment. Easy to use audio control are located within easy thumb range on the left handlebar. Standard audio system is equipped easily expand the optional iPod. Electronic cruise control works in conjunction with the ETV to automatically maintain a set speed when in third gear or higher and traveling between 30 and 85 mph. Convenient control located on easy thumb reach on the right handlebar. V-twin engine, long stroke liquid cooled single overhead cam engine designed to deliver high level of torque. Liquid cooled AC generator reduces the temperature of generator starter coils and thus increase output to handle additional accessories. Semi-tri-sump KP design reduces overall weight, height and keep excess oil away from the crank to prevent power rubbing strings loss. Oil is stored in transmission, which eliminates the need of oil tank. Triple oil pump helps to reduce string loss and provides superb oil circulation. Water tank surrounding only the top quarter of the cylinder head and polish edge fins match the cylinder heads while alternative tapering the cylinder base. High performance forged pistons KP are lightweight, stronger and more heat resistant than the cast version. Oil jets helps cool the piston and added durability. Dual primary engine balancer KP and rubber engine mounts KP helps isolate high frequency vibration while providing the rider with the core power plus feel of the muscular engine. Single pin crankshaft for the classic V-twin rumble and characteristic plus. A cam damper mounted to the end of the crankshaft protects the drivetrain by damping large torque fluctuation yet helps emphasize the pleasant torque plus. Digital fuel injection, dual 42 total bodies with automized fuel injection produce a fine fuel mist for better combustion and fuel consumption. Electronic total valve ETV KP. The total pulley operates an acceleration position sensor APS that uses the ECU to send a signal to a small motor that actually operates the total valve. This makes total pull very light for reduced ride footage and the more precise throttle control result in better performance, smoother running and increased fuel mileage. Using a cable operation APS eliminates expensive switch housing electronics that can be damaged and costly to replace should the motorcycle get a tripped on its right side. Kawasaki's Air Management System KAMS KP. Kawasaki's Air Management System KAMS helps increase rider comfort at a stop. All V-twin presents engine heat challenge, especially full dress models with leg shield, since the rear cylinder and exhaust pipe is almost directly under the rider and the rider's leg. The front shield routes radiator heat down to the ground below the engine, while the rear fan draws air away from the rear cylinder and exhaust pipe direct in the ground on the left side of the motorcycle. Kawasaki is the first motorcycle to provide standard equipment as officially designed air management system to help provide a noticeably cooler rider cockpit. The system is particularly effective in warm weather while stopping in traffic or for extended period of low speed operation, such as during staggering for group rides. Dual air assist rear shock. Air shock provides a wide range of adjustment to match the load or riding preference. Special spring rates to match the increased weight on the trunks and the saddle bag. The 4-way rebound and rebound damping. Rear tire size is 170/17 B16 twin piston brake calipers. Leg shields on the front engine guard minimize wind on the rider's leg. Adjustable air intake allow the rider to control the amount of air reaching the leg for additional touring comfort. 6-speed transmission. Overdrive 6th gear helps reduce RPM at higher speed and help increase fuel mileage. Gear position sensor communicates with the ECU to help reduce fuel consumption and adjust timing to provide better power feeling. And an indicator on the speedometer allows the rider to monitor current gear position at a glance. It's an belt drive bike, lower unsprung weight than shaft drive to improve ride quality and suspension action. Carbon fiber belt provides much more strength than the Calver while allowing the belt to be maneuver more efficient, so more power reaches the rear wheel. Low maintenance and low noise. Large steel box section backbone frame is very rigged and helps contribute to the high stability and lightweight handling at low speeds. Low profile, reduced seat height for an easy reach to the ground. Overall length 2560 mm, overall width 995 mm, overall height 1550 mm, wheelbase 1665 mm, ground clearance 135 mm, seat height 730 mm, curb weight 406 kgs, fuel tank capacity 20 liters. LED lighting provides excellent visibility when activated and makes a strong visual statement with chrome surrounding. Tank, seat and fender saddlebags details designed with a classic 1960 feel. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Those who have already subscribed, hit the bell icon to get notifications of my latest video. Thanks a lot for your support. See you in next video. Take care guys. Thanks for watching.